Samsung is going all in on generative AI with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. They're investing in AI firms like Irreverent Labs, a 3D content AI expert from the US, building their own AI-powered language model, and collaborating with Qualcomm and Meta to bring Llama 2 LLM to the S24 lineup. Essentially, the S24 Ultra is slated to provide the most epic AI upgrade in Samsung phone history, and some are dubbing it the AI phone, like Ice Universe. Integrating generative AI into phones has the potential to dramatically transform how we use our cell phones. With the Pixel 8, Google has already hinted several exciting features, like much-enhanced HDR, a magic editor, increased zoom, video night mode, and a super smart Google Assistant. Generative AI can also build highly tailored user experiences, making your phone seem like a personal assistant. We're just touching the surface of what's conceivable. Consider your phone writing and replying to emails on your behalf. With AI doing its thing directly on your smartphone, it's getting more and more feasible. The Galaxy S24 is Samsung's first foray into this world, and it'll be interesting to watch how they make it work. Given their large expenditures in AI, the S24 lineup will undoubtedly be a game changer. You may have heard that the S24 Ultra will utilize the Snapdragon processor globally, whilst the S24 and S24 Plus would employ the standard Snapdragon Exynos split depending on area. This is no longer a rumor, since a Geekbench listing of the S24 Ultra for Europe practically confirms that the S24 Ultra will really use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in Europe, which is a major relief. The S24 Ultra will be available in every region of the world, not just Europe. One of the primary features of Apple's iPhone 15 announcement was the fact that the newest Pro iPhone could natively run AAA console games like Resident Evil, Assassin's Creed Mirage, and others. And if you're wondering whether Samsung will do the same with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the answer is yes. According to the Korea Economic Daily, Samsung will also bring several AAA titles to the S24 Ultra via cloud gaming, which means you will be able to play these current games without having to download and install them on the S24 lineup. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.